Hi friends, this is Muhammad Gibran and welcome to our Python tutorials. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the looping or the iteration techniques. Suppose you have got a list of animals, like this animals. So how do you assign values into that? That's simple. You can just give something like this. Say you can say cobra, you can say tiger, then you can go for like lion and a dog, right? So this is how you go for defining the elements in the list. Okay, as you know, suppose if I would like to print the elements inside this list, so how can I do that? You might think, okay, let me just go and type like we did earlier. You can just go and type animals and let me just go and run. You can see it prints the list like this. This is printing completely with the quotation and the commas and the brackets and all. I don't want it to be like that. I want my each individual element to be printed one by one. So how can I do that? uh, One way is doing something like this, which you all know. So now if I print this, it prints the name 1, right? Suppose I want to print the second name, I can do something like this, and if I print it now, it prints me two names. Pretty simple, right? So this is not a problem if you are having a small list like of which we have over here for four items or 10 items. Imagine if you are having 1 million items, then will you be going and writing this type of function for all the items? That will not be intelligent, that will not be smart. So for that, for our good luck, our we have something known as the for loop. So in for loop, we can assign this list to a variable. Using that, we can get each and individual characters or the elements in the list. So how you can do that? You need to write for every f, or for every element, you can say for every element in animals. So I'm saying for every element in animals, I would like to print element. I would like to print the element. So what I'm doing, what happens is my animals list, the first value, when this loop gets initialized started, the first value will get copied into this el variable, and we will print that. The next time this tiger value element gets copied into el, and we print that. Likewise, we go over lion, dog, and so on and so forth. So let me just run that and show you. You can see cobra, tiger, lion, dog. This is how you can do that. Okay, so you don't need to write print statements for each and every element over here. Even if you have like a million elements, you can work with it this like this. You don't have any problem with that. I've shown you in the strings. Suppose if you are slicing up the strings, how you can what you can do is you can use that same concept over here. If you want to slice the list to 1 to, let me say, 2. Suppose you want to print till 0 1, only here till if you want to print. So you can say the starting position and the ending position, and it will print the list till there. So if you can see, cobra and tiger are printed. Not only this, even you can add some more functions if you want. You can type the you can get the length of the element or the number of characters. Let me just remove this. When you remove this, and if you write only animals, then animals means this complete list. Okay, just to remind you. So when I run this, this says cobra has 5 characters, tiger has 5 characters, lion 4 characters, dog 4 characters. So you can add multiple lines over here. Just make sure you have this indentation over here. If you don't have this, if you start it from here, then it will consider it out of the loop. So as you can see, if I just run this, you see only he's printing for the dog. For others he's not printing because he thinks that this is out of this loop. So when you are working in Python, make sure you have the perfect indentation. Fine. This is how you can work with the for loop. So this was it for this video. Hope you liked it, and thanks for watching.